Hello, students. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you a little bit about how our modules work. Our modules will be put into Blackboard, and I have our Blackboard course up here. And I just wanted to show you how the modules work. I'm in the Blackboard course, EDU120, and if I go to course content, I'm going to show you week one. And week one, if you click on it, you'll see lots of different information in there. Click on it again here. So a few items to get you started, some tools and technology items for you to look at. So I'm going to just click on there very quickly. So it'll walk you through how to do your introductions, how to submit your assignments. Go back. And the technology that you'll need for the very first week that we have is all in here. So it tells you how to bookmark, how to upload and submit assignments, how to use your Google Drive, which we're going to use this time. We're going to do something called Blogger, and we're also going to set up a Google site. And I've got some different videos in here showing you how to do that. The other thing I wanted to show you is we do have modules. So your book is a supplement to the modules that I've created. So I've taken parts of your book, which is okay because we all have purchased a book, and I've put it into a module and added some additional information from outside the book. So when you click on the module, what you'll see is module, and it'll have the number for the week. And when you click on it, you'll probably get this pop-up blocked, and that's just a system setting. It's okay, it's not a big deal. What you're going to do is launch the course. So if you don't get the pop-up blocked, it'll just go right to your course. But if you do get pop-up blocked, click launch course, and you'll be taken directly to the actual course module. So you can scroll down and see the summary or description of the module, and then the units that we will cover in the module. There'll always be an introduction, and I'll always show you the learning objectives. And then at the end, there will always be a summary, the assessment or your assignments for the week, and then all the references. So I don't copyright infringe, I don't steal anybody's stuff. I make sure I do all my references at the end. So when you see pictures and things, the references will always be in the reference section. So that's how you go through the module as far as getting it open. And then when you go through the actual module, you can either click, as I did, on one of the pages, or you can click on start the course. And when you go in, you'll see you'll have these little circles right here. And as I scroll down the page and read and go through the material, there'll be a continue button. And when I hit the continue button, what you'll notice is I have finished that part of the actual piece of the module. We call these individual items lessons. So I finished that lesson. And when I do the learning objectives, I also have another check mark. So you'll want to make sure that you go through each of the modules to make sure that you are reading all the material, clicking all the links. It's very interactive, playing all the videos. And then when you get down to the last piece, I'm just going to scroll through here. One more. And I do want you to finish all of the modules. You can skip around if you so choose, but I really want you to do them in order. They're created to be done in order. So once you get to the summary, the assessment will always have the objectives at the top, the instructions, including due dates, any type of PDFs or documents that you'll need for the assignment, as well as when you're doing the assignments, you can check them off to make sure you get them all in if you so choose, and also how they'll be graded. There is a rubrics, which is a rubric is how they grade, a different set, a sheet or chart that shows the grading for each item. And then also the alignment. I don't do anything without a purpose. So here's the activities I'm having you do. Here's the objectives for the module and how they relate. Here is the objectives for the student level objectives, so one higher up than the module, and then also what we're accomplishing for the course. And the objectives you'll find in the course syllabus, just so you can match them up. The other last thing, then, you could look at the references if you would like to, you don't have to. When you're done with the course and you need to go back to Blackboard, what you'll see is up in this corner here, it says exit course. So you can exit the course and it'll take you right back to Blackboard. If you don't exit the course and you click out, you just have to re-log into Blackboard. So that is how you look at the modules that are created for each section and all the different pieces, how to enter and exit the module. So good luck, have fun. I hope you enjoy the modules.